In this video, I'm going to talk about a Canadian bank stock, which I think is currently on sale. I have added more shares of this company recently. If you watch this video till the end, I will provide you with the company name and the ticker symbol, and I will also provide you my purchase price. Hello, welcome back. I hope you're all doing well. My name is David Das. The name of my YouTube channel is Think and Retire. I post videos on building wealth and income from the stock market. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do so, as you will be notified when I upload new videos. The name of the company is Canadian Western Bank with a ticker symbol CWB.TO in Toronto Stock Exchange. This is not a stock recommendation. I'm not a financial advisor and I do not have any formal training on finance. Please do your own research and speak with your financial advisor before investing your own money. Canadian Western Bank provides personal and business banking products and services primarily in Western Canada. The company was founded in 1984 and is headquartered in Edmonton, Alberta. All the information mentioned in this video is based on the closing price of Wednesday, March 29th, 2023. The stock price was $24.14 and the cash dividend was $1.28 per share, which comes to about 5.3% dividend yield. The P ratio of Canadian Western Bank is 7.3 and the industry average is 8.5. The return on equity of Canadian Western Bank is 8.9%, which is less than the industry average of 11.4%. Now let's talk about the financials. For the financial, let me share my computer screen. This spreadsheet has information since 2018. Dividend per share has been increasing for at least last 10 years. In 2018, it was $1.02. Currently, it is at $1.28. The dividend growth for the last 5 years varied from 0.9% to about 7.8%. And the dividend growth since 2018 to the current number is about 25.49%. The story about earnings per share is a bit different. It actually varied from 2018 to 2022. Currently, it is at $3.41. So it has some negative earnings growth in 2020 and 2022. Since 2018, the earnings growth has been 22.22%, which is almost similar to the dividend growth. The free cash flow was negative in 2018 and 2019, and it has been growing since 2020. As we can see from the spreadsheet, dividends are well covered in 2020, 21, and 22 with earnings per share and the free cash flow per share. Now let's talk about the valuation. I will talk about 5 different models. The prices are based as of March 29, 2023. The stock price was $24.14. According to the dividend yield theory, the forward annual dividend yield is 5.33%, and the average for the last 5 years was 3.76%. So there is a 42% upside potential. According to Yahoo Finance, the estimated 1-year target is $31.04. So that's about 29% upside potential from the stock price of $24.14. According to MSN Money, the target price by 13 analysts was $30.85, which is about 28% upside potential. According to Morningstar, the fair value is $33.90. That's about 40% upside potential. And according to the discounted cash flow model, the fair value is $49.48, which is about 51.2% upside potential from the stock price of $24.14. Please bear in mind all the numbers are in Canadian dollars. And now the most important information. As I mentioned previously, I have purchased this stock over a period of time in the last few months. The average price so far has been $25.45. Thumbs up if you like the video. I hope it was useful, and I will see you in the next one.